Boil water in a pot and add salt. Cook the spaghetti according to the package instructions until al dente. In a separate pan, heat olive oil. Add finely chopped onions if using and sauté until they become translucent. Grate or finely chop the garlic, add it to the sautéed onions, and continue to sauté for a little longer. Add tomato paste to the pan and sauté until it loses its raw smell. Stir in sugar, salt, black pepper, and crushed red pepper flakes if you like a bit of heat. Cook the mixture for a few more minutes. Once the spaghetti is cooked, drain it and add it to the sauce. Mix well to coat the spaghetti with the tomato mixture. Optionally, you can sprinkle grated Parmesan or any other cheese of your choice on top. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious homemade spaghetti. Feel free to customize this recipe by adding your favorite herbs, additional vegetables, or any protein of your choice. Enjoy your meal.